This is a lawn update. It is November, and as you can see, the temperatures dropped in my area, but I'm still greened up, still very green. This tall fescue is doing its thing in this cold weather. It didn't go dormant yet, but it is kind of thinning out. I don't think that has anything to do with the cold weather, but it's not as full as it was during the summer when I did the lawn renovation. But you can see it's still a dark green. Let's get a zoom close up. As you see, I'm still green. It's been maybe low 40s, high 30s during midday towards the night. We did have a couple days where we were last week in like the low 60s, but it was just about maybe 2 days. We've been getting hit with a lot of rain. As you see, I got these leaves on the lawn here, but this is my lawn. This is the lawn renovation. So I'm planning to do in the springtime, I'm gonna aerate and overseed in the spring. Right now I'm just gonna fight off weeds. I've just been fighting off weeds. Remember, I got hit real bad with the a lot of weeds. But this is the lawn. I still got some spots where I'm struggling to get growth. But overall, I'm satisfied with the lawn for my first lawn renovation in the first year. So I really don't have much to complain about. I want to show you this corner over here, because this is one of the areas right here being problematic. See how thin it is right here? But that's where a lot of those weeds were that came in during the lawn renovation. And right here, as you can see, the texture is different on this side of the grass by the pole. That was because the city department came to reinforce this pole here, the light pole, and they had to dig up all of my good grass around here. So I had to replant this grass actually in early October, no, late September. So as you can see, it didn't really come in as fine. Well, yeah, maybe it was early October. It was kind of late, but I still threw some few seeds down. You see some areas didn't come in as strong, but overall the grass is doing well. It's a nice, like, I wouldn't say deep green, but it's green. It's green enough, and it's November. It's the greenest lawn on the block right now. Everybody else has been going dormant, and mine is still lasting in this in these temperatures. So about to give it another cut here. Try to mulch up some of these leaves. But I'm overall satisfied, and I'm going to continue to build on this this turf here. It doesn't it's not easy. You know, it's not a 6-month project. This is an ongoing cycle over some years to get the turf where you want it, to get the soil where you want it. So I'm gonna break down most of these leaves and mulch them back into the soil here, natural fertilizer, and that's about it. But I just wanted to give you an update on my lawn, show you what I'm working with. Still, I think that's a little patch of, no, that's grass there. Oh yeah, I got one little area, like some funny looking, I want to say clovers over there, and where I'm pointing. But outside of that, everything else is fine. It's lawn day for everybody else, so everybody do the lawn on Sundays around here. So, but this is an update. Stay tuned for more videos. We're still building.